Imagine a world where the secrets to success, motivation, and inspiration are delivered right to you, ready to fuel your journey to greatness. In this new series, we will unlock the life changing wisdom hidden within the most powerful books ever written. Each summary a spark to ignite your dreams and guide you to your highest potential. To kick off our journey, we are diving into a book that has transformed millions of lives. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is not just a book, it is a blueprint for success, a guide to harnessing the power of your mind to achieve your deepest desires. In this first episode, we will uncover the timeless principles that have helped countless individuals turn their dreams into reality. Get ready to unlock the secrets of wealth, success, and personal growth as we explore the magic of Think and Grow Rich. Together, we will embark on this transformative adventure one book at a time, bringing the knowledge you need to achieve everything you have ever dreamed of. Reading books is like opening doors to worlds where dreams are born and destinies are shaped. For the successful, books are not just pages and ink, they are treasure chests filled with wisdom, hope, and the key to unlock life's greatest mysteries. Each book they pick up is a stepping stone to growth, a friend guiding them through life's darkest hours, and a mentor whispering secrets of success. They do not just read, they devour, they absorb, they live the words. The stories and lessons seep into their souls, shaping their thoughts, actions, and the path they chose. Every page is an opportunity to learn, to reflect, to grow, and to rise above challenges. It is in these quiet moments of turning pages that they find the courage to dream bigger, the strength to persevere, and the wisdom to navigate the storms of life. Books are their sanctuaries where they find solace, inspiration, and the fire to keep moving forward. It is not just about gaining knowledge, it is about transforming that knowledge into power, resilience, and unwavering determination. In the lives of successful, books are not just read, they are lived, breathed, and cherished. For within those pages lies the magic that turns dreams into reality. And so, when they read, it is not just for the moment, it is for lifetime. They know that every book is a mirror reflecting their potential, a map guiding them to greatness, and a beacon lighting the way to brighter, more fulfilling future. This is the magic of reading, a spellbinding journey that turns ordinary people into extraordinary achievers. Unlock the secret that have transformed millions of lives. Think and Grow Rich is not just a book, it is a blueprint for turning dreams into reality. Ready to discover the mindset that fuels success. Welcome, seekers of success and growth. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to achieving your wildest dreams? Today, we are diving into a book that has transformed millions of lives. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is not just another self help book, it is a roadmap to success, a guide that will show you how to think your way to the life you have always wanted. Napoleon Hill was not just an author, he was a pioneer in the field of personal development. After spending years interviewing over 500 of the most successful people of his time, including Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Andrew Carnegie, Hill distilled their wisdom into 13 principles of success that we will explore today. His work continues to inspire and guide those who dare to dream big. At the heart of Think and Grow Rich is a simple, powerful idea. Your thoughts have the power to shape your reality. Hill introduces us to 13 principles that can lead anyone to success. Let us break them down. First principle, desire. Every journey to succeed starts with a burning desire. It is not just a wish, it is an obsession that drives you to take action. Second principle, faith. Faith is the foundation of all success. Believe in yourself and your goals and watch as your faith turns your dreams into reality. Third, auto suggestion. By feeding your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations, you can program your subconscious mind to align with your goals. Fourth, specialized knowledge. Success requires more than just ambition. It demands specialized knowledge. Master your craft and apply it with relentless determination. Fifth, imagination is where dreams are born. It is the creative force that turns ideas into reality, fueling your journey to success. Sixth, organized planning. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Hill emphasizes the importance of creating detailed, actionable plans to achieve your dreams. Seventh, decision. Successful people make decisions quickly and stick to them. Indecision is the enemy of progress. Eighth, persistence. Persistence is the key to overcome obstacles. Keep going even when the path is tough. Success is just around the corner. Ninth, the mastermind. Surround yourself with a mastermind group. People who inspire and support you. Together you can achieve greatness. Tenth, the subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a powerful tool. Feed it with positive thoughts and it will guide you toward success. 11th, the brain. Your brain is a broadcasting station, constantly transmitting your thoughts. Keep it focused on success. You will attract it into your life. 12th, the sixth sense. Hill introduces the concept of sixth sense, a deep intuition that guides us towards our goals when we listen to it. 13. Transmutation of sexual energy. Channel your most powerful emotions into creative outlets, fueling your drive towards success. Imagine a young entrepreneur filled with a burning desire to succeed but facing countless obstacles. By applying Hill's principles, believing in his vision, persisting through challenges, and surrounding himself with a mastermind group, he turned his small startup into a multi-million-dollar empire. These principles have the power to transform lives. They are not just theories, they are proven strategies for success. So, how can you apply these lessons in your own life? Start by clearing, defining your goals and writing them down. Create a step by step plan and take consistent action every day. Believe in yourself even when the going gets tough. And most importantly, never give up. Success is within your reach if you follow these timeless principles. As we wrap up this journey through Think and Grow Rich, remember that success is not a matter of luck, it is a matter of choice and action. Let these principles guide you, fuel your determination, and inspire you to achieve the life you have always dreamed of. Now it is your turn. Take these lessons and start applying them today. Your journey to greatness begins now.